go. Pull push rule. Pull the hook all the way out from the outside measurement. Pushing can lead to a restrictive motion. Flathead screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver is a tool used to either lighten or loosen slotted screws with a single indentation in the head. Flathead screwdrivers are available in both metric and standard sizes. Ballpeen hammer. A ballpeen hammer, also known as a machinist hammer, is a type of peening hammer used in metalworking. It is distinguished by having a hemispherical head. Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Use a slot screwdriver with a blade tip width that is same as the width of a slotted screw head. For crosshead screws, use the correct size and types of screwdriver. Pliers. Use a steadier tool. Do not hammer on pliers or wire cutters to cut wires or bolts. Do not extend the length of handles to gain greater leverage. Use a larger pane of pliers for gripping or a bolt cutter for cutting.
Okay, salita.
Adjustable wrench. Slip the open jaw over the nut and hold it place. Turn the screw mechanism so that it clamps tightly around the nut. Turn the wrench in clockwise direction to tighten it, or counterclockwise to loosen it. Keep on turning it until the nut is tight or loose enough to remove.